Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI Power, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and now we have to scroll in order to find security and location. As you can see here, we've got the fingerprint option, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the very first stage of adding our fingerprint to this device. First of all, your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock it with your fingerprint, but also you will be able to authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So let's tap on next. Now we have to choose the additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern PIN or password. It is in case that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, you will be still able to unlock your device. And thanks to this, you won't lose any data, because if you won't be able to unlock your device, then you will have to go through the hard reset operation, and it is irreversible, and it wipes all the data from your device, all personal data, all photos, music, everything actually. So just be sure that you will remember the pattern, PIN or password, whatever you will choose. Simply tap on the option you'd like to apply, and I will pick the pattern. Here we've got the secure startup, and here you can decide if you'd like to enter the pattern just after turning on your device. So if you will turn it off completely and then turn it on, your device will ask you for the pattern. If you'd like to, just tap on yes. If no, tap on no. Now we have to enter the pattern, so let me draw it, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got the notifications, so here we can decide what kind of notifications will be shown on the lock screen. So you can show all the notification content, show height sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Simply make sure that it is marked. So I will pick to height sensitive content. It is marked, so I can tap on done. Now we have to touch the sensor, and I really have no idea why it is said that it is on the back of our phone, because clearly you can see that the sensor is right here on the screen. So let me tap on it. And now we have to do it multiple times, so we have to tap on the sensor in order to add our fingerprint fully. So let's do it and try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint to this device. Of course, you can add another just by tapping here. If not, tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint. Here we've got under it the unlock effect, so you can actually customize it if you'd like to. Here we've got the app lock, smart lock. Just have fun with this section. All I will show you is the fingerprint, so let's enter here, and maybe we'll change the unlock effect. As you can see here, we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it by tapping on it, and this is a cool option if if you've added a lot of fingerprints. Thanks to this, you will be able to detect them. Of course, you can remove it by tapping on this trash bin icon, but I don't want to do it. So let's get back and let's tap on unlock effect. Oh, and as you can see here, we've got 4 different effects from which we can choose. I actually cannot see how it will move, so I will leave the default one, the firework. So actually this is how to customize and how to add the fingerprint. And now let's check if it is actually working. So let me look at this device, and as you can see, after tapping on the screen, you cannot see the sensor, so you have to, I think, press the button, and here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. And what's more, you can of course unlock your device another way. So from this step you have to swipe it up, and now you can enter the pattern, PIN or password, whatever you have chosen. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your UMIDIGI Power. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it was useful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.